how to download apps in Windows 11. So if you want to download apps in your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you can simply open up your Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store. Once you click on the Microsoft Store, then you will get this kind of interface. Just open it up and here you will have the apps. So you can simply search for any app that you're comfortable with and then you can simply go with install option. So for example, I'll be choosing Netflix. So once you click on Netflix, here you will get install option on the left side. You can simply click on install and it will start the downloading process and it will be installed. But if you want the applications which are not in the Microsoft Store, then you can simply go and download an emulator. For example, I have the BlueStacks. You can simply download the BlueStacks application. So you can simply open up your BlueStacks. It might take some time to open. And once you open it up, now you just need to simply search for the games or apps that you would like to download, and you'll be able to install it from here also. So that's how you can download the apps on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.